Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Udemy app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Udemy is an online learning platform offering a vast library of courses across diverse topics like technology, business, arts, and personal development. The app allows users to browse, purchase, and stream video lessons, with features such as offline viewing, course quizzes, and certificates of completion. It also supports personalized course recommendations and progress tracking to enhance the learning experience. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. The app is praised for its wide variety of courses, user-friendly interface, and flexibility to learn at your own pace. Many users appreciate the ability to download content for offline use and the frequent discounts on courses. The app also allows syncing progress across multiple devices, making it convenient for learners on the go. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some courses vary in quality since content is user-generated, which means finding the best courses requires careful review. Full access requires purchasing courses, and subscriptions like Udemy Pro may be costly for some users. Occasionally, users report bugs with video playback or issues with app updates. The platform also lacks interactive learning tools found in some competitors. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button, it really supports the channel. In summary, the Udemy app may be worth using if you're looking for a broad and flexible learning platform with extensive course options. It excels in accessibility and course variety but may not satisfy those seeking guaranteed quality or fully interactive content without additional cost. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.